Howdy everyone, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Alta Riverside in Las Colinas, and we're looking at their one bedroom. So this is more of a detailed walkthrough. It's gonna have two parts. So let's start with the beautiful kitchen. This is a gorgeous kitchen, and I love all the space that's in here because not only do you have the kitchen and all the stuff with that, but then you've got this beautiful island. This island is awesome. You could have two chairs in here and you just pull those out and enjoy. And since it's got two sides, you could even potentially have kind of small four teeny chairs. So that's a delightful island. Beautiful appliances that are here. I mean, look at the way this looks. This is all great. It's really pretty. It's got a really light quartz countertop. All your appliances are just recently built. It's kind of a honeycomb backsplash. It's really, really pretty. And then you've got this delightful area over here for you to relax and enjoy. This is a great area. It feels awesome. It'd be a perfect one bedroom space. You do have a nice patio out here too. The patio is, I'm not going to open it right now, but it's, in this case, it's got a huge yard. So it would be great if you had a pet. This would be perfect for your pet to have that yard. Really attractive apartment. Hey, now we're about to go into the bedroom and bath. So when we do, we're going to take that into another video. We're going to do that right away after this. If you have any questions, send me a text. And if you're ready to tour, send me a text as well. We can set up virtual tours, live tours, in-person tours, whatever you need. I look forward to hearing from you and use our free service.